Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Gqeberha, on Monday the Makwetu family takes a first step forward. Noma Flower has a mind over heart dilemma with Fintando's name on it. On Tuesday, Nozuko and Nobomi battle over who will be the queen of the Mqengas. Msimelele's efforts go unseen. Lulama's secret comes back to haunt him. On Wednesday, the battle between Nozuko and Nobomi reaches a boiling point. Funeka struggles to adjust to her new life. Anda demands 80k from Lulama within 72 hours. On Thursday, Lulama's plan to run away are halted. Nozuko's plans for the family house makes her an enemy in Nobomi and Tulani's eyes. On Friday, Nobomi makes a bold statement about Nozuko touching Bulela's things, and the buries himself further into Lulama's life. Funeka's pain and sadness leads her to isolate herself. Thank you.